This is big breaking news. Champai Soren has formally resigned from the JMM. He has penned his resignation letter and addressed it to the party patron Shibu Soren. It is to Shibu Soren that he has addressed this letter, not to Hemant Soren. And he says, among other things, that he is very upset at the JMM's policies and its working style. So Champai Soren has now formally tendered his resignation. He was Chief Minister of Jharkhand just months back. Now he is quitting the party and he is all set to join the BJP. We are going to go back to Mohit Bhatt. Mohit, what does Champai Soren say? He is clearly acting on what initially was speculation, then became a confirmation after he met Himanta Biswa Sarma and Amit Shah, and now he has quit.
Well, Ankit, it was just a due formality because Champai Soren has already decided that he will be joining the BJP, and then he is a minister in the government, and hence he had to resign from his post. Now, we know for a fact that Champai Soren was not happy the way he was shunted out from the role of the chief minister. He basically stated that he was not even informed of the legislative party meeting where when Hemant Soren got the bail and he got re-elected as the chief minister, and since then he has been very unhappy with the working style of the JMM. Now, he considers Shibu Soren as his guru because remember, when the Jharkhand Morcha was going on, the movement for separate Jharkhand was going on, he was one of the tallest leader of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and hence he was always there with Shibu Soren. He's considered to be one of the tallest tribal leaders in the state of Jharkhand. He basically says, and he addresses Shibu Soren as Guruji, and he says that he's not happy with the working style of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. He says that
we have at this moment, Mohit, we have Tanuj Khatri of the JMM joining us. Mr. Khatri, Champai Soren has quit your party. How did it turn to this? How did it become this? He was chief minister a few months back. Now he has left the party. What is your first reaction?
देखिए, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा एक आंदोलन की उपजी हुई पार्टी है और इसमें एक से बढ़कर एक आंदोलनकारी, एक से बढ़कर एक क्रांतिकारियों को बनाने का, गढ़ने का काम झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा ने किया है। और एक लंबे समय से झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा जो है झारखंड के अंदर में झारखंडियों की आवाज को हर उस पटल पर उठाते रही है। तो लोग आते हैं, लोग जाते हैं, ये राजनीति है। और राजनीति में जब चुनाव नजदीक आते हैं तो इस तरीके की घटनाएं होते रहती हैं और इससे कोई कहीं से भी किसी प्रकार का कोई असर प्रभाव नहीं पड़ने जा रहा है। जब चुनाव हो जाएं, अगर आज के डेट में भी चुनाव हो जाते हैं तो झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा क्लीन स्वीप करेगी, दोबारा फिर से हमारी महागठबंधन की, इंडिया गठबंधन के सरकार।
आपको लगता नहीं है कि चंपै सोरेन के जाने से आपको झटका लगेगा इलेक्शन में?
बिल्कुल किसी भी रूप से नहीं। ये झटका स्वयं जो जाएंगे उनको लग जाएगा और ये झटका भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लगेगा।
Okay, Tanuj Khatri there, he says that the switch by Champai Soren will rebound on the BJP, the JMM will not be impacted. But the breaking news at this moment is that Champai Soren has played his move. He has quit the JMM. He has written to Shibu Soren. I thank Tanuj Khatri as well as Mohit Bhatt for joining us on this bulletin and sharing these inputs with us. Viewers, we are tracking this many assembly elections coming up in the next few months. Stay with us on Times Now for all the latest info.